Bata Bata is the name of a dance we do down Johannesburg way.
24 hours later. 24 hours. The duct tape is still intact. Let's take it here. Let's do this. Alright. Let's get it all set up. Okay. We are ready to decant the ginger beer. Let's see how this goes. Guys, the smell of this is incredible. Please make sure that all your equipment is clean. A brand new cloth. The jugs are all sanitized. The bottles have been boiled. And now, give it just a little taste. Yes, I'm so happy with that. I'm just going to decant that now through the cloth. I'm just going to strain out. I'm going to put the raisins back in. I'm just hoping that that's not going to be an issue. Feels like a real class experiment. Okay, and then from there, okay, we're just going to pour it. Don't make me laugh. Don't fill it all the way to the top. I'm going to put a couple of raisins back in there. And also, just in case, I don't know, just in case what. I don't know if you guys can actually hear the rain outside, but it's absolutely bucketing down. Pardon the pun. Okay, let's open that up again. I'm just going to take these raisins, just going to drop them. Raisins and a bit of the ginger back in there again. Okay, so there you have it. We've got 3 bottles, we've got our lids. Now, I don't know if it was such a good idea to put these raisins back in again, but I always remember drinking ginger beer with the raisins in. The raisins were the best part. Now, there's two schools of thought on putting on these lids. Some people say you must tighten them as tight as you can. Okay, other recipes say just loosen them so that the gas can expand. So I don't quite know. I just don't want anything to explode. So I'm going to keep them relatively loose for now, and then just see what happens in the fridge overnight. But I'll keep reporting back. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. You might wonder what we are doing on YouTube and why have we got this channel. And as you see, all of this happened during lockdown. COVID-19 is where this YouTube channel started, and one of the big things for me was to during this lockdown period, and especially being in the hospitality industry and owning a restaurant, was to be able to look after my team and my staff. And basically we have taken my book, Mile 8, and all the sales and all the proceeds to the book, or from the book, go to our staff fund, which is pretty special. So you can go to the Marble website and you can purchase your book there. And I think that's just really where we are with this channel as well. I think whatever money is raised from this channel, obviously we need to cover for production costs and so forth of the channel itself, but majority of the proceeds will also then go to a fund, and that fund is going to be ongoing it'll be ongoing after COVID and everything else, because I think one of the biggest things that we realize is how vulnerable ourselves and our staff become in situations like this. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Tune in for the next one. Cheers, guys.